Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. On today's episode of Healthy with Benna, I'm going to be sharing with you all this delicious, easy protein pancake recipe. Guys, these pancakes are so inexpensive yet a great way to really start your morning. They are so tasty and you will be surprised by how easy they are to make. I usually love to serve them with some butter. I have some unsalted butter and also with some my favorite fruits like strawberries or blueberries. You can also serve them with any syrup like honey, maple syrup, agave syrup. Guys, I also make them way ahead of time. Sometimes my kids will take them to school for their breakfast lunch. If you haven't checked out my video on how I pack my kids lunch boxes, please do check that out. I have these pancakes as one of the options. Please stick around and I'll share the recipe with you in a moment. Walk you through the ingredients we need to make our protein pancakes, and then we can start cooking. So to start, I have here some rolled oats, so old-fashioned rolled oats. I have one large red banana. Now the riper your banana, the sweeter. I have some eggs, 4 large eggs. I have some flaxseed powder. Now if you have any sort of protein powder, these pancakes will be a great place to add some to it. I just prefer using flaxseed powder. They're really great source of omega-3 fatty acids and also fiber and also protein are packed in the flaxseed powder. I have some salt right here. I have some cinnamon for flavoring. My kids love cinnamon, by the way. If you prefer, you can use nutmeg. You can also use vanilla extract as well. Sometimes I also use lemon zest. They work great as well for these pancakes. And I also have some baking powder to give our pancakes a little bit of lifting. So guys, let's get cooking. These pancakes are so easy to make, guys. You can also use oat flour. Now it's really easy to just put your own oatmeal and just blend it up together. So to start, I have my blender here. To that, I just added in the eggs. So we're gonna put everything in the blender and just blend it. I'm going to add my bananas right in there. Next, I will go in with the salt. Next, the baking powder. I'll go in with the cinnamon. I'll go in with the flaxseed powder. And finally, with the oats. It's so easy. I'm just going to blend everything up together, and then we can start cooking. Pretty easy. And I'll just transfer my dough into this bowl, and then we can start cooking our pancakes. That's so easy, guys. These are like the easiest type of pancakes to make. They're really easy to just whip up and cook them up. Less than 15 minutes and pancakes are ready to be served. So to start cooking our pancakes, guys, I have my non-stick skillet. It's very important that we use a non-stick skillet when cooking our pancakes. It's on medium-low heat, and I just greased it a little bit with some coconut oil. And I'm gonna use, I always use 1/3 measuring cup to just cook my pancakes. So to this, I'm going to put about 2 to 3 pancakes. I'm making the mini pancakes because these are going to be for kids at school, so I don't want them to be bigger ones. So I'm just gonna do the mini ones. So I'll put 3 scoops in here, and I'll let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side before I go ahead and flip them to the other side. I'll just go ahead and flip the pancakes over to the other side so they can cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect. Now you notice that your pancakes are blackening, guys. That's very normal. Remember, we have banana in there, so it's just gonna caramelize as they cook, and the color of the pancakes will look like this. But trust me, they taste absolutely delicious. The first time I tried these pancakes, I was so surprised at the way they tasted. So good. You really want to try this. They are so healthy, so tasty. You will not regret trying them. Our pancakes are fully cooked on both sides. I'm just going to go ahead and remove them, and I'll repeat the process until all the pancakes are fully cooked. So guys, our pancakes are all good to go. As you can see, they look delicious. I love to serve them with a little bit of butter and some honey, or you can use any other healthy syrup like agave. I also love them with some fruit. As you can see, some strawberry, you can do raspberry, you can do blueberries, you can do bananas. Whichever way you go, you want to enjoy your pancakes, guys, just go for it. They look so beautiful, so delicious. I encourage you to really try this recipe out, and let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried these protein pancakes, or if you're going to be trying them. They are super healthy and really a great way for you to take in more protein and fiber. Your oats are loaded with fiber, as well as your flaxseed. I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you can join the Healthy with Benna family, so we can continue to grow together and really encourage each other in this healthy journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, and bye.